string is a collection of characters enclosed in single or double quotes, and Python provides many pre-built functions to process the strings. And out of this function, the most important and most widely used function is split. Hello everyone, welcome to Python session on string functions. And in this session, we will explore split and few other functions of string. Let's start with the split function. Split function split the string based on the separators and return the list of string. If the separator is not provided, then it takes the space as separator. Let's understand this definition with an example. Consider string s with the value all the best. In the next line, write x equal to s dot split. Then print the variable x. Run the code. Well, the string got split into 3 values in a list. If you look at this s variable, we can see that the split was based on the space character. So, we can say that the split function breaks the string based on space if no parameter is passed. Consider another example. Suppose we have a string variable message with the value programming is fun, then a full stop, and then enjoy programming like this. Now we will write split underscore string equal to message dot split, and in bracket pass the parameter dot. Then print the variable split underscore string. Run the code. Well, you see we got 2 strings. Split function gave 2 strings based on the split parameter dot. So if you pass a parameter, the split function will give the string based on the separator parameter. Consider another example. Suppose you have a string fruits with value apple, banana, orange like this. Then write fruit underscore list equal to fruits dot split, and in bracket pass the parameter comma. Then print the list variable fruit underscore list. Now run the code. You see you got a list with different values of fruits. Well, this is how split function works in the string. There is one more function like split called split line. Split line function split the string based on the next line character, that is /n. Suppose you have a string daily needs with this value. Look over here. We have inserted /n character after every word. Then write x equal to daily underscore needs and call the function split line like this. Run the code. The split line function breaks the string based on the next line, that is /n character. After the split, there are 2 other small functions, start with and ends with. Starts with function tell us whether the string start with a particular string or not. Ends with function tell us whether the string ends with a particular string or not. Both these functions returns the output in Boolean, that is true or false. Let's understand them with a small example. Suppose we have a string s with the value Python programming, and we want to check whether the string starts with p or not. Write flag equal to s and then call the function starts with and pass the parameter p. Then print the variable flag. Run the code. Well, we got the output true because our string starts with p. Now pass the parameter j. Run the code. Well, we got the output false. Now let's look at the ends with function. Write an if statement and then call the function ends with on the string s and pass the parameter ing. Inside if, print the message that string ends with ing. In the else section, write a message string does not start with ing. Run the code. Well, you got the message string ends with ing because the ends with function return the value true. So in this session, we studied 4 functions: split, split line, starts with and ends with. Out of this, split is the most widely used function. Please practice these functions well. See you in the next session.